We use VMware as an underlying cloud VNF platform to put software on, much like VeloCloud, to service our customers into the next generation.
We had a really compelling event, which basically led us to need to replace our IMS core.
Since 3 years ago, we have started to deploy a worldwide data MVNO to provide embedded cellular connectivity to laptop and tablet.
We've looked at the current path with our current incumbent provider, and basically we felt that we needed to go and seek alternatives.
When the functions get virtualized, you need a platform for them to run on. And you need this platform to be able to chain the functions together in a very efficient and agile function.
We had a much more compelling story to change from the existing traditional more boxes and software individually delivered to a much more platform-based architecture that we could move more services to.
We can provide more bandwidth, more trusted bandwidth, and give them a quality of experience that they can't get through legacy-type networking services. We can immediately provision them and give them quality of experience, both during the provisioning process and during the operational process.
I think the benefit of having the VeloCloud NFV is that you can take many functions and combine them together.
Now we have an alternative. We have a choice of where we deliver services going forward. What we're now considering every decision we make on technology, platform architecture, is whether we can virtualize that service rather than doing it in the traditional way.
We even think that we can get to a point where we're using VMware's new Workspace ONE and deploying that whole ecosystem to our customers.
It will lead to us delivering services a lot faster. We've built this infrastructure up front and invested in it, and now it's a really good alternative now for whatever we decide to do on technology platforms or service platform. And the speed to market and the speed to deliver services for us is a lot faster now.
One of the challenges as a small telecoms operator on an island with 85,000 people is we have a limited amount of cash. So it's important that we spend our money wisely. So this has enabled us to reduce the amount of money we've spent on CapEx in this particular area, and therefore we've been able to spend that money in other areas of the business. So it's been a really good project.
I think that we'll see more and more virtualization, more and more software-defined functionality. As a carrier service provider, we're moving aggressively away from being a typical legacy carrier and more towards a solution provider. And that's going to include a lot more software as we move forward, and we're going to need these VMware type of ecosystem to manage that for us.